Hola amigos, welcome to my channel. My name is Adil and without wasting any time, let's get straight to the topic.
So last week I got two requests from Jose and Melon asking me that whenever they are putting amiibos in games like Kirby and Robobot and Mytopia, they are getting the same result, and they wanted me to know that if that's the normal behavior. So first of all, when I tested it, I thought that the behavior is normal in case of Mytopia because I never played it before. But when I get requested from Melon about TV Plan and Robobot, they have the same game that I used in this how to use Amiibo and Citra video. And in that video, it was working fine without any duplicate Amiibos. So for that reason, I last midnight, I researched about it and was able to find the original Amiibo bins. So first of all, here's the problem that we are getting. As you can see, in case of Mytopia, it says that this is the one you showed me before. And in case of Kirby and Robot, it says inhale Mario and copy the fire ability. No matter what kind of amiibo is used, it always says that. And it's not neither the fault of Citra and the game, it's all the fault of the amiibo bins. So I'm gonna show you the result by using the original amiibos that I used 3 years ago. I'm gonna continue. I have already muted the emulator for the Mario Kirby Planet Robobot because it's not optimized as you guys can see. And here, as you guys can see, 3 years ago, Burn, whatever his name is, he asked me to upload it without any sound instead of the rap music from Kirby. So just to let him know that Kirby Planet Robobot is not an optimized game, as you guys can see. Still runs at 50-60 FPS. Here's the graphics setting, which is 5x native, and here, as you guys can see, Mytopia. It's running at 60 FPS straight. So you guys can clearly see that Kirby Can Robobot is not optimized. So I can't do anything about it. So first of all, I'm gonna use the original amiibos in Kirby Planet Robobot. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna load the original amiibos. So these are the original amiibo that I downloaded. As you guys can see, 4:18 a.m. That's the time when I was able to find the original amiibo bobbins. So I'm gonna select one of them just for testing and magnate. And here, as you can see, it says inhaled metanite and copied the custom sortability. Because I used the original amiibo bin instead of using the uh, newer links, which is not working as it should. It always gives the same amiibos, so that's why that wasn't working like when and like now that I used the original amiibos. Now with the Mytopia, so, like next. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna remove it. Now let's try again. And as you guys can see, there is no folder for Mytopia, so no need to worry. You can use amiibos from the other games like Animal Crossing I'm gonna go with this random one. Says again that, so let's do that again. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna remove it, then try again, and oops, sorry guys, I used the wrong folder. That's the original Amiibos folder. So as you guys can see, Isabelle, and here you guys can see that text is now changed after using the original Amiibo bins, as you guys can see. So let's try again. And that's the one. Here you go. And as you guys can see, after using Isabelle Amiibos, we got Isabelle clothing. And that's it for today, guys. Lastly, the link to download the original Amiibos. That's the link archive.org/details slash amiibo files.simzip. That's it, guys. That's the link. These are the original Amiibo bins that I was able to find midnight. So all you guys have to do is to download these Amiibos and use them instead of using the newer ones. Those are not working. Those are fake ones. So it's better to use these ones. And with that said, adios, amigos.